Hey, what is going on, y'all? Today we are here in Virginia Beach, Virginia at the beautiful convention center for the Hampton Roads International Auto Show. And so there are over 20 manufacturers in the building. There are classic cars, there are vendors, the whole 9 yards. And so in this video, it's gonna be kind of random because this is my first auto show. But in this video, I'm gonna walk through some of the popular vehicles that I like. And then I'm also gonna talk to a vendor from Eastern Truck and Accessories. Make sure you stick through for that for your truck accessory needs and all those other kinds of things here in the 757, just over in Norfolk, Virginia. But this video is really cool, it's really different. I want you to stay tuned and check it out. And so as you can see, I've started off in the GM area. Of course, the Chevy Corvette is the dream car of mine and one I would really like to have, but there are a ton of models here, over 20 different manufacturers here in beautiful Virginia Beach, Virginia in the Virginia Beach Convention Center. And a Chevy Traverse here. Nice, beautiful paint job on that. I believe that's an Equinox. They put out all the stops on these vehicles. Oh, that's the Equinox right there. That's the hybrid version. So as I'm making my way around the floor, I see this H2 Hummer EV. It's a pretty snazzy looking vehicle. It's the actual SUV version, not the truck version, but you can see that's pretty cool. I'm sure that's very similar to the EV Silverado that I checked out at First Team Hampton Roads Chevy. I'm gonna be releasing a video on that here soon, but we'll go ahead and keep them moving around. I really like the customization of vehicles nowadays. You're not just stuck with that plain Jane. You might have to wait a couple model years for the paint color and the scheme that you want, but it's available and it's individual choices, you know? Not just having to stick with the yellow cream from back in the day. I remember my dad had a Pontiac that was yellow cream. But there are plenty of choices. Here we got the Cadillac booth. The Lyric, looks like an EV vehicle, beautiful. Honda booth. Honda's EV Accord. Got it plugged down there at the bottom. And you wouldn't believe that a Civic has now gotten to the size of a Honda Accord. The Civic is their mid-size car, the Accord is their full-size car, but like I said, this is a Civic, and you can see by the size of it, it has reached big boy status, if you will, because it's large and it can fit a good amount of people with plenty of legroom, as you can see. But Hondas are always a great option. I was thinking about getting one before I bought my Silverado, and I ended up getting the truck instead, which I'm always happy with, but I always want to keep a Honda in mind. This is Civic hatchback right here. And you can see the rest of the product line over here. So we're here at the Toyota booth. Of course, you've got the classic Toyota Tacoma. Changed the body style up this year. It looks a little bit more mean, a little bit more rough. But you've got this interior right here. You can see all your controls are right here, right at your fingertips. Then also you've got this massive screen. I haven't done the research on it, but I'm just taking all this in. All these vehicles have a lot to offer in this competitive landscape of trucks, especially in the mid-size truck and full-size truck. It's absolutely crazy. Got a Toyota Tundra also down there on the other end. Like I said, there's a lot of variation, a lot of things to choose from, and that bed is really deep, abnormally deep looking. But the Toyota Tacoma is a classic vehicle, as we all know. They maintain their value and also are very popular for off-roading and stuff like that. Okay. Where they have a Trail Hunter, nice custom truck. Looks like it's made for off-road. Love the paint scheme, the way it's outfitted. It's really nice. Hey guys, so I was able to snag me somebody to do an interview real quick. This is Mike from Eastern Truck and Accessories. He's gonna go ahead and talk us through some of the things he has out here on the floor, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next booth. Go ahead, Mike.
Hey, so of course, this is the new car show, and what we're standing around is a bunch of accessorized trucks. So over here, you got a big old Super Duty that's pretty popular in this town, Tidewater area. Big old Super Duty, got a JL all flexed out over here, got a big rack on top. Now, most people have no idea what this is, but it's actually a 22 GMC big fender Baja style with a big old flared fenders out. So most people don't even get that. Got a crazy suspension underneath. And then over here, this is the new 2025 Tacoma, done with a lift wheel and tire package. Pretty cool. I got it set up so you can see the old Tacoma is right behind it over there. That's our old Tacoma. That goes up until 2023. And then over here, you have, I snuck this one in. This is a 2016 JK. It's a 4-door made into a 2-door pickup, custom all, Rubicon axles. It's all hooked up. I'm Mike with Eastern Truck and Accessory. Thank you.
And where can they find you, Mike?
6320 East Virginia Beach Boulevard, Norfolk, Virginia. I've owned it for about 23 years.
Sweet. So Mike's local, go check them out. These rides are absolutely beautiful. Seeing them on camera does not do them justice. Go on down and check them out at Eastern Truck and Accessories. So as it would be in 2025, we are in the electric section. These are purely electric vehicles. Some of them I'm familiar with and some of them I'm not, but this is the Chevy Silverado EV. I got a chance to drive that at Hampton Chevrolet, First Team Hampton Chevrolet. And I believe this is the top model because it's got the 24s with the max range and all those other kinds of things. I believe this is the top model. I'll double check. But that is an absolutely stunning vehicle, all black trimmed out. Got the front trunk right there. Obviously the engine's missing. Got the Ford Mustang GT in this beautiful green color right here. Got an EV Jeep. Then also another EV right over there. Then you also have the Harley Davidson live wire. It's pretty sweet. I don't know if I'd ever convert to it on a motorcycle, but it's pretty sweet looking. So I've gotten to the section of the show that I think I like the most. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking for a minute and let you just take in these views and enjoy these tunes. Check out these classic vehicles. Well, I gotta tell you, I had a great time here at the Hampton Roads International Auto Show. I was able to walk around, check out some great vehicles, talk to some great folks too, off camera though. Most folks don't want to be on camera. But I want to thank you for watching this video to the end. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to always ride as if your life depends on it. Peace.